Hello, everybody. Mrs. Milky here from Wisconsin Virtual Learning, and it's time for me to congratulate our seventh grade OWL Award winner for the month of January. This time, I would like to take a moment to congratulate Gabby on being the seventh grade Student of the Month or OWL Award winner. Gabby joined WVL this year for the first time, and she's been a great addition to our live classes. She will talk when needed. She'll answer questions, raise her hand. She will turn all of her work in on time, ask questions when she's not sure about something. She'll reach out via email, or she will stop in during study hall. She also is willing to do corrections along the way to make sure that she's understanding the content. So Gabby, you are an example of a great virtual student, and we're glad that you have chosen WVL. Keep up the good work, Gabby, and here's to a great second semester.